So this is the VIVOSUN AeroWave E6 6-inch clip fan. It's not really 6 inches, it's 7 3/4, but yeah. So just going to show you real quick how it functions. It's got 2 buttons, power and oscillation. I'll turn oscillation off. You'll see it dances. They do give green lights instead of red lights. That's nice if you have it inside of a tent with a photosensitive plant. They do go off. You can cycle through the power settings. Five is the highest fan setting. Beyond that, you're into the natural wind mode, which ramps the power up and down as it's operating to more closely resemble that of a natural wind current. If you have the hub controller and you need to connect it, there's a USB-C connection in the back that you can, I believe they have a dongle that you can attach and do it wirelessly, or if you have a USB-C cable, that is where that would plug in, and then you can run that to your hub and control the fan from your hub to a degree. You can't control oscillation with the hub, but you can control the fan speed and cycles. You want to make sure that you do Velcro it to the tent to make sure that the cord moves as little as possible. And they do say that if you leave it on oscillation, it shortens the lifespan of your fan. I don't think it affects the warranty, but it shortens the lifespan. So if you ever need to clean the fans or the housing, there's a screw on the bottom right there. You take that one screw out and the front cover will come out, and you can take the fan blade out and clean it too. It's really quiet. I do like that. I don't like the shortened lifespan with the oscillation function on an oscillating fan. It doesn't really make much sense. But other than that, they've been somewhat good fan, good quality build. Look forward to seeing more from them.
These are the new VIVOSUN AeroWave 6. Quiet. And I'm going to bring you over here to an existing AC Infinity. Knocking. Both AC Infinities knock. One knocked right out right when I bought it. This is just night and day difference. These are great. Plus they have the function of a wind function, so it's not steady wind. Goes from like a breeze to a strong wind. The oscillating, it oscillates different during that time, during that setting. So much better.
That's not nice. I just bought these new fans and I'm super pumped, so I had to do a quick review on them before I put them in place. They're easy to put together. They go together with one screw. Will hold it together, and they easily clip on the inside of your tents. They provide lots of ventilation. They also have a USB-A connection, which connects to the smart grid control system, which I'm buying next. I'll do another review on that as well. Thanks everybody for your time. I would personally recommend this fan.
Switch up the VIVOSUN this.
It's after 2 weeks. Not the best intro to your not the best intro to your products there, VIVOSUN. Making me reconsider all that Spider Farmer gear that I passed on.
The fancy dress pool in Dante's hell. Normally, men like my great-uncle Jimmy would never be sharing deck space with the ship's wealthiest passengers. Titanic has always been carefully segregated, a microcosm of Edwardian society. From the ultra-rich luxuriating upstairs, to the dirt-poor migrants down in steerage. And never the twain shall meet. But now, in extremis, cracks are beginning to show. The first and second class, actually, were treated in fairly...
This one doesn't have power on the fan. You see, I have quite a few things from VIVOSUN.
Really nice fan, this one. Super quiet.